Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love read now. The first for the month of December. Let's see what's going on in your love life, Leo, now. What is it that you need to know? My angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages, guidance, advice they need the most for their love life now. Thank you. So Leo, as usual, nothing starts on this channel, without a blessing card from the angels. So we're going to take one card from my angels and see what they have for you now. So blessing or an advice card, my angels, for my Leo gang. Blessing or an advice card for Leo. Okay, let's keep this. Put the rest back, Leo. And the card I have for you is Speak Your Truth. So if you're keeping something from somebody in your love life, Leo, I think it's time to be open and be able to talk and say whatever you have to say and get on with it, right? So let's see, I have no clue why this card is here. So we're going to open your cards now and see why these cards are here for you. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. I'm very blessed for all of you who've showed up today here for me. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here, one for you, one for your person. And for the duration of the reading, Leo, I will be calling them person A and person B. You decide which side you resonate best with, okay? And in the center, we have some mutual energies as to what we can expect or what guidance or which path this is going to go. Bottom of my deck, Leo, I have the Magician. Somebody's trying to manifest something here. So let's see what that's going to be. So before we start the reading, Leo, I am going to take some dialogue messages from both of you. Okay, so three cards each. Just to get the ball rolling here to see what you guys are thinking or what your person is thinking or would like to say to you. So what would Leo or their person like to say to the other spirit now? What's in their heart? Okay, one more. All right, so we've got our three from here. And let's take three more from this deck. This is so slippery. Okay, so let's take three more from the other deck. One. All right, one more spirit, please. Okay, thank you. That was quick and fast. So let's see, Leo, what you want to say to your person and what your person wants to say to you. The first card that I have for Leo, it says, your soul is always with me and mine and is guiding you. We are always together in spirit, even though physically we may be apart. So maybe you guys are not together at the moment, Leo. That's what it tells me. This is somebody who's not with you, but you still kind of connect and you know that this person is special or will always remain special whether you guys come into union or not. The second card, let me take this one. This person says, shit, you're all I think about. The past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama and how I want you now. Damn. So there's somebody who's really passionate about the other person. Yes, you guys are not together, but you have shared something that's happened between the two of you. And even though you guys are not together, the passion is being remembered now, and it was crazy and exciting, and this person still wants to come back into union and be together once again. Let's see the third card. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul because that's where you are. Yes, this is two people who are in separation and there is a lot of love here. Oh, there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of chemistry. This could be somebody new you've recently met but you're not together with. It doesn't look like a terrible breakup and a past ex or anything like that, there is excitement here. So let's take another one. You are my muse. If you only knew how much you have inspired me. Darling, you are my masterpiece. I wish I could let go of fear and tell you and show you how much you inspire me. Yes, this is somebody new, Leo, somebody either you've recently met, you haven't really told them how you feel, or vice versa, but just watching this person, maybe online, or you've met a few times, or you know something about them, and this gives you motivation, the other person motivation to do exciting new things in their own life as well. So, fifth card. Okay. I'm your not so secret admirer. All right. I know that I'm always checking up on you. So there is a secret admirer here who says, I'm making it very clear that I'm your secret admirer. So you know who I am and you know who I'm talking. So Leo, either it's you who's been very blatant about your admiration for somebody, or this could be somebody who's been in touch with you, who's not telling you how important you are to them, as not to the extent that they feel for you, right? The last card. You have half our gifts. You have half our gifts. I, the other. If you would only work with me instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacles together and heal in sacred union. Wow. So this person feels that, you are both separate at the moment. Maybe Leo, you or your partner has some issues that they're going through. Maybe you are as well, and you feel that you're such a perfect match and you inspire each other, you admire each other. There is passion between the two of you, and maybe you could come together and heal together. That's a beautiful, and yes, for that you'll have to speak your truth, Leo. Right? You will have, but somebody is manifesting it here. They are trying their best to manifest this new beginning and feeling excited and really excited and happy about this as well. So let's put these cards here and start opening your cards, Leo, and see what's coming up for you. So person A now is the Emperor in reverse. Ace of Wands in reverse, Hierophant in reverse, the Lovers upright, just as I thought. Queen of Wands and the Five of Wands. Okay. The Strength card, Death in reverse, Star, Eight of Pentacles, King of Swords, and the Ten of Wands in reverse. Okay, so Leo, there is somebody here on person A's side who is not feeling very powerful at the moment. They're actually feeling like they don't have the strength, or they're feeling shy, or they don't feel as strong as maybe they normally do. There is something which is not allowing them to move forward with all their passions, even though they feel a lot of love for the other person. Yes, this is a secret admirer, Leo. This is somebody who is normally in their life a very strong and powerful person, but when it comes to this connection, this love makes them go weak in their knees. Okay, so maybe because their passion has been denied at the moment. Why is the Ace of Wands in reverse then, Spirit? They want to have a new beginning with this person. Whoever this person is, for person A, who they feel a lot of love for, a lot of passion, they don't want to make it only maybe a sex-based relationship. They want to have a total new beginning where there is love, and if there is no commitment, then there is nothing, kind of a thing. Yes, they are not sure where the other person maybe is not, hasn't articulated what they want, whether they want something for the long haul, or they just are looking for a roll in the hay maybe. So till these decisions are not made, I think person A is not kind of taking any action here. They want somebody to be taking action in this relationship and speaking their truth. Maybe their partner comes across as somebody who doesn't tell them things. So even though the love is here, Leo, somebody is not wanting to take any action and wanting to stay stuck right now. Maybe they feel there is competition. Maybe they feel there is other people around you. And they feel, yes, maybe this is not, there is maybe some more healing to be done yet from their past. And there's a bit of conflict going on here. Yes, I think that, Leo, person A thinks person B is in it only for the sex, to be honest. Okay, what person A is looking for is, I think, something which is more in the long term. They're looking for love. They're looking for something which will go the long distance. They want a person who can take charge of the situation, where there is, yes, there is passion, but also to choose. This is a choice card. Choose to have like a bigger view of the relationship. They don't want to be treated like just another person. And that's the reason I think this person A, who I think this is the feminine energy here, who is not really ready to take action right now, keeping themselves a little stuck. They're still trying to get enlightened about this connection. Not that that's not happening. I think you guys are still in touch because there is a bit of fear of letting go too. Till things are not clear, I think it's being kept on the surface level. But there is no clarity here. There is no clarity here, and without clarity, I think person A is not willing to move ahead. Yes, I don't think anybody's actually come towards them with any emotional offer yet. So that's the reason. Person A is keeping themselves a little isolated and maybe a little closed off right now. So what's this 5 of Wands then, Spirit? 5 of Wands. I think what person A feels is that, yes, person A is the feminine here. Leo, this could be you, or if you're the Leo masculine, then this is the feminine you're dealing with. Person A feels that they have now finally got themselves to a very stable ground after maybe some hardships, and they feel now it's their time to take care of themselves, nurture themselves, and they don't want to get into any kind of messy situation. They feel all the people who maybe come towards them for to create a mess in their life, basically. I'll be honest with that. So they, I don't think, are interested in rushing anything till they are sure that it's going to be the overall thing. If you know what I mean, right? They're not looking for a player who will dip in and out of their life. They'd rather be alone and focus on themselves than be played once again. They don't want to be treated like just, a Queen of Wands in reverse, who's normally the other woman in the tarot deck. So they don't want to be seen in this light at all. So let's see what person B is all about. Person B has the Strength card. So Leo, this could be you. All right. But yes, there is somebody who's trying to have the courage, have the strength to do or say something. They also have a fear of, change here. They don't want things to change, even though they know that they may have to make a decision to move towards person B. They have a little bit of fear of change. They don't want things to change in their life either. I think person B is also healing from some kind of past heartbreak or something, which, yes, person B is also a little closed off right now. And the thought of maybe a committed relationship or something for the long haul makes them feel not that strong. And to be honest, Leo, again, here's your card, the Strength card. So I think they're still trying to get healing, get guidance as to what's the correct path, and they haven't put in any work, or maybe they suspect that their person doesn't want to put any work in. The Star card is here twice, so they really see their partner as a star. Okay, they see this person A, as their wish fulfillment, somebody who is really pure maybe, or very attractive, or maybe a celebrity for all I know, but they really don't know how to put in any kind of effort to go towards this person, because they feel not so strong and maybe feeling there's competition around this person as well. They have the King of Swords in reverse, which means, I mean, King of Swords upright is a person who can say things clearly, okay, have direct conversations. But I think person B doesn't have the words right now, and they're trying to find their strength here to say something. King of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Where's the King of Swords in reverse? The Moon in reverse. Yes, they want to speak. They want all secrets to be out. They want clear communication. But right now, I think this person is very burdened with something maybe of their past. Maybe something happened to them with some other relationship, and they're still trying to come to terms with their past hurts and trying to release themselves of any burdens that they're carrying. Yes, this person is a bit double-minded at the moment. They don't know whether they want to make this change and move towards another person or not. So yes, there is a bit of fear of change on both sides. Okay, they have the Death card in reverse, and person A has the Death card in reverse as well. So yes, there's a bit of juggling going on. There's a bit of back and forth energy. What's this juggling, Spirit? What's this Two of Pentacles? This came out sideways, so I'll take another one. What's this Two of Pentacles? Oh, yes, they're a bit afraid of person A. They're a bit afraid of this feminine because they feel this feminine is a, you know, straight shooter, will cut me down if I say anything wrong. So they are still trying to figure out what to say and how to say it. They don't know, they don't have the right words to make any movement here. This definitely seems like new love to me, Leo. So normally for the other signs, I am doing a new love connection, which I don't think I need to do for you because this really seems like a new connection here to me. Let's see what's all right. The Tower, Knight of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man. So why is the Tower here, Spirit, for this beautiful to-be new connection? Why is the Tower here? Why is the Tower here? One more. What's this Tower? Knight of Pentacles. Again, I have the Knight of Pentacles center of my deck as well. So what's this? Is it a new beginning or is... Oh my God. Okay, I think the Tower moment between the two of you, Leo, is going to be that maybe one person is getting more and more clear that they want to make a choice here. But there is a little bit of stagnant energy. Maybe there is a lack of conversation between the two of you. Okay, that still the words are not there to come towards the other person, and somebody's taking their own sweet time. Even though with this Tower moment, somebody is totally clear. This is the person I want, and I've made up my mind. But since there is a bit of difficulty in telling the other person, there is a bit of slowdown here. Somebody's at crossroads trying to make up their mind. Maybe person A is still healing from something in the past. So I think person B is waiting for the right time to approach them. So there is a Hanged Man here, which is a bit of a stuck energy between the two of you. So Hanged Man, Spirit, where's the Hanged Man here? Hanged Man. Here's your card again here, Leo, the Sun. I think even though you guys may not be together right now, the thought of this connection, maybe somebody's fantasizing or thinking or taking stock or daydreaming about this connection, is making somebody very happy. Yes, right now I don't think there is any movement here, and that's not making somebody feel very happy. Maybe things haven't really started in a good way, or they haven't like kind of caught momentum here. But I do see something, somebody kind of planning, taking stock of what makes them happy, and daydreaming about it at the moment. I'll be honest with you. In the first week of December, also, I think Leo, there is no forward movement, but somebody is being very clear of who and what they want. Now, the whole problem is that they are manifesting it, dreaming about it, planning it, but will they speak their truth? will they be able to say what's on their mind? Okay, so that's where I see you now, Leo. There is a little lack of clarity in conversation here. Okay, so you'll get there. Don't worry. This is new. This is not old energy. I hope it works out for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.